week on Mythbreakers.
We're your hosts, Matt Diaz
and Gustavo Martinez.
and today on Mythbreakers, we're going to be testing who has a dirtier mouth, dogs or humans. For our investigation, we took 4 dogs and 4 humans and swabbed their mouths.
And after the swabs, we sent them to the lab for tests.
For additional fun, we decided to test 4 cats as well.
The fresh agar was just poured into these petri dishes. Now, we will wait for them to harden so that we can swab the Q-tips over the hardened agar and grow our bacteria. The next morning, now that the agar has cooled, we will be able to swab the Q-tips on them and start growing our bacteria. We've gathered our samples from different dogs and cats and humans that we know. So, we will swab the Q-tips, one for each set of agar. Now that our agar is cooled down, it's more in a solid state. So now, we're going to take the Q-tip and we are going to swab it around the inside of the agar. So we take the lid off and we just swab it around the top of the agar all the way around to make sure that we get the most colonies out of this. The most bacteria colonies. Then when we are done, I will put the sample back in the bag. I will put the lid on and we will label it. An H for human, and then the name of the subject. This one, Gustavo. Now we will set it in the incubator where the bacteria will grow. Don't ask me how I got this sample. After using the swabs on all of the agar plates, we now have 4 samples for each species. 4 for the dogs, 4 for the cats, and 4 for the humans. After swabbing, I put the samples back in the bags in case we need them again. Now, we will put them in the incubator so that they have more time to grow bacteria. Here's the incubator that we will use to incubate these agar plates, the petri dishes. Now, we will open if I can get it open, there we go. We will open the incubator and start to place these licorice, the petri dishes, sorry, that cat's name was Licorice. We will start to place the petri dishes inside the incubator. Once this is all finished, this will allow the petri dishes to stay at a consistent degree while they are growing their bacteria. Now that we have them all inside, all that's left to do is grow some bacteria. 2 days later, I took the petri dishes out of the incubator. Now, as we see here, we still have the 4 cat samples, the 4 dog samples, and the 4 human samples. We are going to count the colonies on each one of them to see which has the most and which was the cleanest.
In the end, we deem this plausible. What the? Dude, what the hell?
Oh, are we filming?
Thank you for watching Mythbreakers.